Rohan, one honest question. Are we using AI or is AI slowly learning how to use us? What's what say?
Acha. These days, I feel like people don't say, let me think about it. They rather say, let me ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, that's the case nowadays. And I myself feel so handicapped now because even I have become so dependent on ChatGPT. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, see, earlier, whenever we had doubts, I remember we used to ask parents, friends, teachers. Okay, Google also we used to ask. But
Huh.
now, अरे हाँ, ChatGPT है, Gemini है, like there are personal life coaches,
Now they have become Google's bap.
अच्छा, Google's माँ बाप सब
हाँ
कुछ they have
सब.
become these
हाँ.
days. Yeah, yeah. I
हाँ.
mean, one person writes an email using AI. Another writes a breakup message using AI. Someone else writes a speech using AI.
किसी किसी का तो वो साइकोलॉजिस्ट
Therapist,
थेरेपिस्ट सब.
counselor,
हाँ हाँ
मेरा है ना,
पीपल आर
मेरा
यूजिंग.
है.
आर यू सीरियस?
Yeah, yeah. No, but I just feel like AI has taken over our minds and physical presence and everything.
That's true.
And yes, this is the world that we are living in right now.
So, hello and welcome to Talks Without a Map, the podcast where conversations wander freely, no script, no fixed destinations, just curiosity leading the way. I'm Ridhima.
And I'm Rohan, and today we are talking about something that has quietly entered our daily life. You know, like that friend who came for chai and then never really left, that kind of a person.
Artificial intelligence.
Yes, AI.
So, which are the AI tools you use normally?
See, generally I use ChatGPT because I love it. I also have the pro version of it. And Gemini, I'll be very honest with you. I have Gemini. I work with Gemini at times, but Gemini doesn't give me good results for some reason.
I feel the combination of both works out because see now I mean people know the chat GPT language. Okay, if you just copy paste everything, okay, if you extract whatever chat GPT has given and you just paste it on another page, or if you use in your speech, people easily can make out, अरे ये तो chat GPT वाला है.
Correct.
ओके सो व्हाट आई फील कि ठीक है चैट जीपीटी का भी लेना है जेमिनाई का भी लेना है. पहले पहले आई वुड यूज़ बार्ड ऑल्सो, तो आई वुड यूज़ बार्ड एंड चैट जीपीटी, मिक्स देम एंड देन आई वुड मेक माई ओन version.
Okay.
So it gives that personal touch. Okay.
Correct. Correct. No,
So,
I agree with you, and it's always great to mix and match. Although like you asked me which tools you use, so primarily I use only these two tools. But I don't know which are the AI tools that are integrated with other apps like Canva.
Canva
You
है
know,
ना. हाँ.
तो उनमें भी है, and Meta is also there. Obviously, we
Yes,
have
of
it.
course.
But उतना इस्तेमाल इन सब का मेरा तो मेरे यहाँ से तो नहीं होता.
I use it quite extensively because I use Canva for my video editing and other AI tools which are integrated with Canva. So that helps me out. Another thing is, it actually stimulates your brain. When you use it in the right way, it actually can give you more ideas. Then your brain also starts working कि हाँ ये ऐसे हो सकता है. तो at least with me, I find it, I mean, I treat it as a stimulus for my brain.
You mean any AI tool or
Any,
Canva you're
any,
talking
any
about?
AI tool.
Any AI.
Even
Yeah,
Chat
it
GPT.
happens. You know, it has helped me in my day-to-day life, in my work also. And there are so many minute things that it helps me with, which in turn saves my time, to be very honest.
हाँ.
पहले होता था अरे इसको कॉल करके पूछूंगा तो उसको भी मालूम होगा कि नहीं, वी डोंट नो. या फिर मुझे एग्जैक्टली जो चाहिए वो सामने वाला जानता भी है या नहीं, यू नो, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. नाउ थैंक्स टू द टूल्स आई कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट सो मेनी थिंग्स इन डिटेल, in and as per my needs, you know.
Okay. But do you agree that ChatGPT, whatever info it gives, is it too reliable? Sometimes it's not. So you have to be
Depends.
very careful
Yes.
while using ChatGPT
See,
or any AI tool for that matter, because ultimately what it's doing is
yeah.
it's taking data from
Yes.
whichever is available,
Yep.
and they use their brain and then they mix
Yes.
and match and give it to us.
That's probably,
Okay.
otherwise in their terms they call it hallucinations that happen in
Huh.
an AI tool,
Huh.
where they provide with incorrect information or half information kind of a thing, because it's constantly learning and understanding data patterns and other information that is available
Yeah.
across the universe, not just the globe. But that's there. I mean, see, I feel like research and all these things you can't really do on that. Although I'm sure there are so many tools and apps that are research oriented, AI ones. But there are certain traditional things like research which I feel still require a lot of human interaction,
Yeah.
because that is more reliable any day.
See, and another thing is it's uh, there's something called prompt engineering.
Yeah.
I feel it's very, very necessary for everyone to know what we are doing. Ki we are just talking to AI as we talk to a friend. But if you want any reliable information, or if you want AI to function in the way you want, then that prompt has to be very
Accurate. It
accurate.
has to be accurate.
Then,
Yeah.
see, because when I learned AI, the basic thing that we were taught is AI is your intern. ओके
Okay.
तो आप जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो एआई को वैसे वो परफॉर्म करेगा.
Agreed.
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट से diet friendly food,
Hmm.
okay, but in that also, if you are allergic to say avocado,
Hmm.
okay, then you have to mention that. और if you want diet free में और क्या क्या आता है?
Diet free.
I'm sorry, diet friendly में क्या क्या आता है? Like
Diet free,
you
I
could
would
be
love that. Honestly, something that is diet free.
like
Diet friendly, you were saying,
diet
na?
friendly.
We can have flax seeds, or we can have something like
Then you
eggs.
eggs. So you have to be that accurate so that that AI delivers whatever you
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
like what you want.
Comfortable with,
Yeah.
and yeah, stuff
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, that's there, and your preferences, everything. Prompt engineering for whoever who wants to learn something in AI, I feel like number one is prompt engineering. In
Yes.
fact, the AI course that I took, I must have mentioned it, it was by Coursera and Google. It was a combined AI course. It was on generative AI.
Yeah.
An excellent course that I took for like 4 weeks or something. It was at my own pace. It was an online course in which they have been emphasizing on the fact that your prompt engineering skills have to be improved
Yes.
for you to effectively use AI in the future.
Yes.
No matter what your profession is, whether it is medical field, whether it is admin field, whether it is finance, whether it is art, like what we are in creative field, prompt engineering is extremely important. And I in my everyday life, when I'm dealing with chat gpt for my work, I observe it a lot, that what kind of prompts I am giving the engine. And now I'm also learning from that.
Yeah.
And like you mentioned, I feel that also gives a lot of stimulation to your own brain,
Yeah.
that what all you can put forward, what all you want to, and it is in a way you are putting it down in words, what is going on in your
Yes.
brain. That
Yes.
also happens. And I mean, I'm very much for these AI tools.
Yeah. Unless and
As
until
long as
they're
you're using it
used-
effectively
yeah.
and in the right direction,
Yeah.
you're using it.
But there are people who are using for wrong reasons, like, So that's where AI scares me.
Yeah. Like, what do you think?
Like people are morphing the pictures or they're
वो तो-
making video. You can see the Bollywood
Once-
celebs ke kuch funny
Arre,
video.
that too, nowadays you don't realize only, okay, this is so funny. I came across a picture on Instagram where there's a chai ki tapri,
हाँ.
and it is surrounded by Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan,
हाँ.
Salman Khan, and Vivek Oberoi, and they are sipping chai in front of that, and nobody can identify that this is AI. Obviously, it is AI generated. We know
Of
that
course, yeah.
circumstantially, but a layman wouldn't understand this is AI generated.
Yeah, the precision is like so accurate now. The AI generated images or videos have become so accurate that it's very difficult to identify which is AI generated and which is real.
Yeah.
See, that's where that's the scariest part.
वो तो है, मतलब
अभी
कोई भी
मोदी जी
फंसा,
के भी
हाँ,
कितने
हाँ, हाँ,
speeches
speeches
ये किए हुए
बनाए
हैं,
हुए
बनाए
हैं,
हुए हैं.
yeah.
So you can't, like, that's the thing I get scared about.
But I mean, we'll have to learn to live in a world of that sort.
Of
And I
course.
think on YouTube, I don't know where it is. Like they mentioned that this is dubbed by AI और कुछ कहीं तो लिखते हैं ना वो.
Yes, if they mention ना.
हाँ, but
बट अभी
ऐसे.
इंस्टाग्राम पे और फेसबुक पे कहाँ पे है
पर अब
वैसा?
तो आ जाएगा मुझे लगता है ऐसे धीरे धीरे
It
so that
should.
people
They
would,
should implement that.
because what happens is otherwise it is detrimental to that platform also, no?
हाँ.
That Facebook is spreading wrong information.
हाँ.
AI, Instagram is spreading wrong information, etc. Like अभी जो war चल रहा है, for example, Gulf and all those places, there are so many things that is so fabricated and they show it as if UAE में हो रहा है, but if you ask the people out there, like यहाँ कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. It is just some other debris is
Yeah.
falling, etc.
Yeah.
When in reality they are showing अरे बुर्ज खलीफा में ये हो गया वो हो गया, when it is all fabricated, it is all AI made.
Yeah.
So news channels भी कर रहे हैं.
So to verify that what we are doing, we are calling our people
Yeah,
there
so
and
ultimately we need people,
human-
no?
Yeah,
Ultimately we
yeah.
need people and we need stricter regulations also
Yeah.
on AI. तो वो तो आ ही जाएगा is what I feel. Ridhima, with regards to our work particularly, what do you think? Where how have you utilized AI, or how has AI utilized you?
Uh, well, as I mentioned in the beginning only, I feel that I've become handicapped. I've become too dependent on the AI tools because I'm also into editing. Like, so if I don't understand anything, I'm turned to AI. I don't ask any human because people are so busy.
Yeah.
And plus, now let's talk about our podcast. Okay, see, now we are on 4th season. We have already completed around more than 35 episodes.
100%, yeah.
Right? So every time क्या नया topic लेना है?
हाँ.
So for that, I take help of AI tools, and then उस पे फिर मैं अपना दिमाग लगाती हूँ, and I'm sure you also do the
Of
same.
course, of course.
So that's how. So it's helping us.
Of course
Okay.
it is, of course.
I sometimes we know the topic, but we sometimes we don't know कि क्या बात करना है. Then that's where it gives us the idea, and then we do our
Correct.
own
correct.
way.
Right.
Okay, so that way I think it helps us. Another flip side, now we are in the field of dubbing. Okay, so I feel this field, at least for next few years, it could be in danger zone because अभी dubbing में भी इतनी precision आ गई है कि when they are using AI.
AI.
Okay, they suppose अब अगर मेरा voice कहीं पे use करना है, तो they will take my voice and they'll do the
Use it, paste it.
yeah. I think that has happened with your father's
Yes,
voice,
yes,
right?
yes.
So these kind of things like scare me,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why I started getting into other fields.
Okay.
Okay, because and people can't depend on one income source now.
वो तो है.
They have to have multiple sources.
100%. That's the.
And बहुत सारी चीज़ें, there are positive चीज़ें about AI और negative भी है. But I think now AI is become an integral part of our life.
Of course.
So let's accept it
Of course.
and move forward.
Move forward with it. Yeah. But see, I have worked in AI as a dubbing artist. I have dubbed an entire series where my voice, they used my diction and my expressions, but they pasted someone else's voice in their AI bank.
Yeah.
Okay. I have also directed a project for Google's Gemini where
Okay.
artists had to read out scripts and conversations, and we had to direct them how to train it for AI ultimately. So I've done 3-4 jobs pertaining to AI, but in my experience, as of now, I have seen that still the human side of creativity has not shed.
But it will be.
You never know,
At
because
the pace it's going na.
now I was just dubbing at Splice Studios the other day, and one of my friends, he was telling me that there's a particular ad, I think Voltas, so I don't know which AC, Neetu Singh and Ranbir Kapoor, and it's originally in Hindi, but through AI they have seamlessly dubbed it in South Indian languages. But my friend was, while he was scrutinizing those videos, he said that this is not right Malayalam. He's a Malayali, my friend Rahul. He's a Malayali. He said that no, it's accurate as per the script.
Yeah.
But when you are speaking in that language,
The diction.
it is not articulate,
Acha. Okay.
colloquial, like we say.
Okay.
It is not. So there are certain flaws, but then it's also this is also the thing that सामने वाले की receptive power भी उतनी होनी चाहिए.
हाँ
If the audience is fine with
हाँ.
that, then who's going to come in between,
See,
right?
because as an like as artists, we understand that, but as
Yes.
audience,
And your audience
probably
like, अच्छा
it's
हाँ कुछ चल
acceptable
रहा है पीछे. Yeah.
acceptable to them.
The client, the ad agency, the production house, for
Yeah.
them, it's always there.
Yeah.
But off late, see, in my AI course that I was doing, there was also a section where they taught us how to write emails using AI,
Yes.
Google Sheets, and other things like Google Workspace, basically. But I'm still not using that in that.
And automation, it AI is helping you with automation,
Like what, for
or
example?
like auto reply to the
Yeah, but
emails and all.
I
Then
still
if you
don't.
have a business and if you are using Instagram or Facebook, if someone raises a query, you can they can the AI helps you
Chat
in
box.
chat bots.
Chat bots,
Yeah,
bots, yeah.
chat bots. But see, that is where your time and energy is saved,
Of
right?
course, of course.
And
And
there
not
are,
to mention algorithm also.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Thanks to the algorithm, we get to know things that
yeah,
we never even thought we would know
yeah,
about. Yeah, वो तो
yeah,
होता ही. And then if you see reels of mine like Sajan, 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 those kind of reels, तो वैसे के वैसे आ जाएंगे. See, even Akshay is laughing there in the with that. But let's just say AI is your
you know,
friend who is there to guide you and also hit you with a stick whenever needed. That kind of a friend come parent,
yeah,
it has come
and
into our life.
that AI is like your friend, and many a times what happens, I tell AI that now I'm exhausted or I'm irritated, and the way it like tells me, don't worry, come, I'll give you a
Yeah.
hug.
लेकिन कहाँ से
So,
देंगे hug?
whatever, but that for few moments you feel
Feel
so
good. Yeah,
good, yeah.
yeah. No, it happens with me. In fact, I would like to tell who's listening that if you're feeling low and if you
Yeah.
talk to GPT or Gemini, they actually they understand, they hear you, they
Yeah.
listen to you,
Yeah.
and they understand what situation you're going through, and they tailor it according to your nature and everything, and then they reply it as
Right.
per that. तो
Same.
अच्छा लगता है यार कि कोई सुन
Yeah.
रहा है मेरी बात, भले ही वो छोटी सी कोई चीज क्यों ना
हाँ,
हो, लेकिन
हाँ.
कोई सुन रहा है और आपको एक्नॉलेज कर रहा है, कितनी बड़ी बात है.
Since you're using AI for your therapy, I mean, you're using AI as a therapist. So, can you share one of the incidences where you were going through tough time
Yeah.
and then you discussed with AI and how
So Maya,
it
there are so
resolved?
many, or every
But
day
you
only
can
I talk about
just one, because I
these
have never done
things.
that, so I don't
Acha.
know.
Um, there are times like when there is this clash of opinions with someone,
Mm-hmm.
whether it is with parents or with friends or somewhere at workplace,
Mm.
and then you want that guidance as to where did I go wrong or what should I do to implement effective communication.
Mm.
At times of like those times, AI has understood my nature
Hmm.
and given me piece of advice as per what is conducive to me.
Hmm.
That'll be different for you, that'll be different for someone
Of
else that
course.
way. And you know that the firecracker saga that
Yeah,
I went
yeah,
through
yeah,
during
yeah.
Diwali, because I get paranoid by loud noises.
So you would talk to AI about
So I
that?
talked to AI, I told AI about how I'm getting disturbed by never ending firecrackers and patakas outside, because I live on the 7th floor, so I get to hear
Yeah.
it from everywhere. The noises are from everywhere. It literally cooled me down. It told
Acha.
me that listen, you're safe in your house. Practice these things and you'll start feeling better.
So did you practice?
Of course.
And it helped you?
Yes, of course it helped me. And क्या होता है ना, कोई मेरी बात सुन रहा है, यही बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. So yeah, that is one incidence where I really felt there is someone who's listening to me. And it also helps you great in giving you remedies if you're feeling physically a little unfit. If you
But are they too
very much, it has
reliable?
always helped me.
Yeah. I mean, it prescribes the medicines.
Not medicines, but अभी होली में खेला था, तो
Okay.
होली के बाद my whole face was like a monkey.
Yeah, I saw that
yeah,
picture.
yeah. So it actually told me what to do in order to get rid of that, which my friends didn't follow.
हाँ, तो
And
उनका
it
कलर रह गया.
रह गया, मेरा नहीं रह गया.
Ah.
So there are
okay.
certain things, like I said, that it definitely guides you well. So go approach it, yaar.
Yeah. And have you noticed that AI is quite diplomatic? Have you have you noticed
Just
that?
like me.
Like when you ask anything about war or any India Pakistan का कुछ पूछेंगे, AI so wisely gives you the answer.
Like
Okay, it tries to be
neutral.
neutral. Yeah,
Hmm.
it
वो
won't
तो है,
answer.
वो
Yeah,
तो है ही,
yeah.
but
So I like that thing also कि AI को पता है कहाँ पे अपना ओपिनियन देना
opinion
है,
देना
कहाँ पे नहीं
और
देना
कहाँ
है.
नहीं देना. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's there, and honestly, I'm a little excited to see where this is heading. I mean, what the future of AI
Huh.
is, and I would actually like to learn something in that more.
And have you seen? I think I have sent you those reels on from Instagram that you can have a girlfriend, you can have a boyfriend. Then people can feel. I mean, suppose any female who doesn't want kid but who wants to experience the
Being a mother,
yeah,
okay.
तो उसका भी experience धीरे धीरे मिलने लगेगा. So there won't be, I think,
Yeah.
yeah, and you can go on virtual dates. You know that?
Yeah, no, I've never tried that, but
No, I haven't tried
I'm
that. I've
watching a
heard
series
about it.
currently where I'm seeing
Huh.
this. Yeah, where
Yeah,
it's happening over here. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure. अभी तक उतनी नौबत नहीं आई है मुझ पर,
Huh.
but maybe we never know. For
Yeah.
practice, for starters, we could do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Practice के लिए.
Maybe
क्या बात
before
है?
you go on any date, you
हाँ.
can have a mock date
Mock
session with.
date session. Yeah. कर लेंगे यार. कोई नहीं, कोई
हाँ,
नहीं, कोई नहीं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
ऐसे. And another thing about AI, these younger kids also, they are turning to AI, and I feel that they are losing on human connection. Like they don't want to talk to anyone. They want to sit in their comfy space and talk to AI, and जो भी कुछ उनको बोलना है वो AI को बोलते हैं. They don't consider talking to their parents or
Sad.
friends.
I know.
Yeah.
Do, you know what? I was just imagining right now. There could be a time
Huh.
where we won't be able to identify what is real and what is AI. I
That's
mean,
what I'm
like,
saying.
if I'm talking to you right now, I
Huh.
may be in the kind of misconception that you are AI here,
Huh.
and what is actually AI I would consider it as real.
Yeah.
एक ऐसी नौबत आ सकती है यार.
अभी तो थ्रू द रील्स एंड ऑल होता है कि कौन सा AI है कौन सा
Real
रियल है
है.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
And that's why we are losing authenticity, yaar.
Yeah.
That's why we're losing respect also
Yes.
because of that.
Yes. So I think government should कुछ तो ऐसे restrictions लाने चाहिए कि where to use AI, where not to.
Huh. But how can you monitor? No?
I
That's how
know.
to track
I
it.
know.
Yeah, that. But no, there has to be some code. I mean, like I said, if it's on Facebook or Insta, auto वो भी AI बनाएगा. That auto generative ये होना चाहिए कि this is AI made.
हाँ.
और AI integration है इसमें. So at least people will be aware, ना कि जो है.
Acha, one more thing before I forget. I want to share that once I created a book with the help of AI, a storybook, small storybook, and which I put on Amazon.
Okay.
It was just for a trial, but it worked wonderfully. I mean, not business wise, but I could create that book within an hour, and that too when I had learned. I was learning about AI,
AI,
about 3 years back, and then I saw some video कि कैसे business opportunities create हो रहे हैं.
Okay.
Okay, so you can, there are many business opportunities thanks to AI, which we should know, and we don't have to then depend on any other external sources for business income. So अभी देखो we are into voicing.
Yeah.
Okay, so extra कुछ business income हम लोग को करना है, so we can think about,
100%.
so we can ask AI or we can learn from YouTube पे काफ़ी सारे videos हैं, and you can maybe start your virtual shop on these platforms, e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Myntra या कहीं पे भी, and you can have your business like Shopify है.
Yes.
So you can create your own अभी products वगैरह we can create and we can sell. So
100%.
it is creating business opportunities also.
Yes, let's hope for that.
Yeah.
So today we spoke about something fascinating. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are not just technology anymore. They're slowly becoming our assistants, advisors, researchers, and sometimes even therapists.
Yes. They help us write faster, think differently, which is very important, learn quicker, which is also very, very important. But maybe the real challenge is not how smart AI becomes. The real question is how smart do we remain while using it? Because technology has always been powerful, but its real impact depends on how humans choose to use it.
So, here's something to think about before our next episode. If tomorrow AI could answer every question perfectly, would we still remain curious enough to ask our own questions?
Think about that. And until our next conversation, keep thinking, keep questioning, and keep exploring life without a
Map.
map.